Hello, welcome to this live training. My name is Shogndele, and today I'm going to show you the automated Ecom system that brought in 1 million naira sales on Christmas Day. It's a never seen before advanced Ecom system that generates sales on autopilot. Who is Shogndele? For some of you that are just getting to know me for the first time, I am the CEO of Fast Plus Limited, a multi-millionaire internet marketer, a speaker, IT and marketing consultant, an expert digital product creator, and owner of a 7-figure online e-commerce store. I made my first million in 2010 at the age of 17, and since then I've sold over 120 million products from 2010 till date. Between last year August and November last year, I sold over $175,000 of my first international product launch in just 5 days. I've won several awards like Amazing Student Millionaire in 2010, Most Innovative Student in 2013, Most Enterprising Award, and a lot of them like that. And I've also had my own share of failure as well. I've burnt down over 20 million naira on sports betting company called Naira Win between 2012 and 2014. So I had to shut it down when I wasn't making good money from it. So it's not just all about success. I've had my own shares of failure as well. So I'm not a perfect human being. I've made front of cover business newspapers and featured in other national dailies. Yes, I've been interviewed from most of these newspapers you can ever think of. The Punch, The Nation, and also a business newspaper called Success Digest Extra. Here is what my garage looks like, as you can see. And even in the world's economy in 2017, I was able to make over 52 million naira in 365 days with just one of my bank accounts. And thanks to my wonderful business, it gives me the freedom to go on vacation. Between last year and December last year, I've gone for like 3 vacations in different countries. So thanks to my business, I can do my business anywhere I am in the world and still make money legitimately from the internet. I didn't show you those results to brag. I just want you to see the possibilities of what you can achieve with a profitable internet business just like mine. A lot of people always think the internet is all about scam and you can make money legitimately. Far from it. You can see I'm a living proof, and I've been doing this for the past 10 years. So if I can, you can as well. Now on Christmas Day, something happened. Something amazing, something very shocking happened. I know a lot of you received my emails about exactly what happened, and I was able to make a million naira on a Christmas Day. When you were busy struggling with chicken, I got an alert of over 1 million while I was away for my 3rd vacation in 2017 in Dubai. Now, I get a lot of 1 million payday. I was only shocked because this came in from a business I set up once and I didn't have to do much. Exactly. I was shocked because this business doesn't require a lot of my time, and most of the part of this business is automated, like 90% automation. So that is the main thing that shocked me. That so if I can set up something once and forget about it, I can make such money from it. And I'm also going to show you these steps and this automated system I used to generate this crazy amount of money in a single day, and it's not being used by anybody right now in Nigeria. So this is the best time for you to grab this opportunity and start using this system in your e-commerce business. I'm about to show you what I did to generate that money in just a single day. And before I move forward, disclaimer, this is not a promise that you will make such money in a day. If you've noticed me very well, I'm not those kind of fake gurus that just overhype things for you or just promise heaven and earth for you. No. For the fact I make a million in a day doesn't mean you are going to make a million in a day. I've put in almost 10 years of experience into doing business online. And I don't know how far you can put in into this kind of business as well. But if you can put in good efforts and follow the steps I'm going to show you, you are going to make good money from this business. So now, let's get started. How I made £1 million on Christmas Day. Setting up an automated Ecom business that took me 5 minutes. Now, these are the 3 steps I took to set up that system. The first one is to get some art products. While the second step is to set up automated Ecom store. And the third step is to tap into 1.2 billion Facebook buyers. So now, how does this system works? How does these 3 things work together? Now let's get started with the first one. Now, exactly November 30, I went online to research about few products in the health niche. I researched hot selling products in the health niche. So what I did was to get these products for a ridiculous price of $0.24. So that's like 24 cents. And I priced the product for 19,000 naira per piece. That's more than 1,500% profits on each product. So I got like 4 of these products. So when I got the products, I decided to go online and set up this new automated e-com system I just found out and nobody else is using. And how did I get the product? It's very simple. If you're new to e-commerce business by now, I'm sure you know that there are various sites where we can buy products online. One of them is AliExpress. One of them is 1688. But I don't just go ahead to buy those products like that, because going to AliExpress to buy products yourself will cost you a lot of fortune, will cost you a lot of money, and can give you a headache as well, because you'll be paying more on shipments. And getting your goods down to Nigeria can even cause more issues for you as well and can take days. But if you watch this video to the end, I'm going to show you how you can get these goods delivered to you in Nigeria without taking so long. So now, I was able to go to this website to get the products. aliexpress.com. As you can see, this is the website. I was able to come here and order for the products I wanted to sell. I'm getting to this site. Like I told you, the product is in health niche, but I'm not going to talk about the products now. But wait till the end of this video to see how you can also get access to these products I'm talking about and sell them for 100% profits. So on getting the product from this site, the next thing I did, excuse me, the next thing I did was to set up my automated e-com store. So how did I do this? Very simple. To set up your automated e-com stores, you don't even need a website. You don't need a domain name. And your e-com store runs 100% on autopilot. Like once you set it up once, you forget about it and it keeps getting sales for you. So what is this app that creates automated e-com store for you? It's called Shopless. So Shopless is a cloud-based app that creates e-com store inside Facebook Messenger for you, so you can sell your products on complete autopilot. Now, come to think of it, Facebook is one of the most visited websites in the world, and over 2 billion users are on Facebook. And wherever there are a lot of people on a particular platform, that means there are a lot of money to be made on that platform as well. Now, it's no news that I make millions of naira every month from Facebook selling my products and services on Facebook. Now, but there's an untapped niche on Facebook, which is the Facebook Messenger users. Facebook Messenger users have over 1.2 billion users in the world. And most adverts being run online on Facebook especially, most of those adverts, 90% of the advert targets desktop feeds, Instagram feeds, leaving 1.2 billion users on the table. So now, this is your best time to act on this and start getting good traffic to your business without or little competition. I mean, you don't have to compete with the big guys that are focusing on the desktop news feeds while you pay naira, cheap naira per click or cents per click, depending on the type of Facebook adverts you're running. I'm going to show you the process of doing the whole thing. So now, we're going to sign up with the automated Ecom store called Shopplace. And once we are done, we're going to add our products and both at instance and also set up our fan page. So like I said earlier on, the things you need to set up your automated Ecom store is your Facebook account. So let's get started. I'm going to go over to the site. Can you see? So this is Shopplace. This is how it looks like. So then the first thing I'll need to do is to come to settings, Facebook settings. Then I'll click here to import all my fan pages. Once I'm able to import all my fan pages, the next thing is to set up my store on my fan page. So you can see store name. I'm going to enter to the store name. You see, welcome message. Come to follow more. Then phone number. Put the map data. If you can get your map data from Google, you can put it there. Then the next thing, email address. You can put anything you want there. info@follimore.com. Then the address for your business can be 21 Deshida Road, Ikeja, Lagos. Can you see that? Then message to customer after successful order. That is the message that you want to show to your customer once they've placed the order. Say thanks for your purchase. We will call you to confirm your order soon. You see, so any message you want to relate to your customer, you put it there. Then the next thing you need to do is to upload the logo for your store. You choose file, you locate the logo, then you upload. Then the next thing, the tax information, just leave it blank. Shipping costs. If you're charging for shipping costs, you put it here. If you're not charging, you leave it blank. And here, leave paper out since you're selling to Nigeria. And we use payment on delivery for our products. So just leave this place blank. Then from the email too, you can put info@follimore.com. So once you're done, you click on update. Now I've updated my store. The next thing you want to do is to select your currency. So you select the currency in which you want to sell your products. So I'll select Nigerian Naira. Can you see that? Then I'll click on submit. You can see currency added successfully. So once this is done, the next thing we want to do is to create category for our products. So I can decide to add a category. this category, I can add let's say try to add safety, and I click on add category. The category have been added. So once you add category, the next thing is to add the products you want to sell. So I added the 4 products which are imported from that site, AliExpress. Then you select the fan page name here. Then the next thing, the product title. Product title can be anything. Let's say mosquito killer lamp. Can you see that? Then I'll choose image. For the product, I can go online and search for the product image, mosquito killer lamp. Can you see that? So I'll search for it. Then I can download any one I want to use. Let's say I want to use this. Okay, let me download this one. Save image. Okay, so I've downloaded the image. The next thing is to go back to this, add new products, choose file, then click on pictures. You can see I've added the image, then you click on upload. Okay, so I've uploaded the image. Then description for my products. So look for a description for my products. Can go online to go and check the descriptions. This site is, so I can say kill mosquito and under. Just copy that. Come to this place. You see, this is just for an example purpose. You write a short description of your product and you write the long description here. Then once you're done, you come to this place, you enter the price for the products. So you enter the price for the products. Let's say I'm selling it for 2005. For 2005. Can you see? So then you select the category, safety. Can you see? Featured. Featured means if you want this product to be one of your featured products, just like we have in a normal Ecom stores, the first products you see at the top on their own page are called featured products. So the first product that appear inside your Facebook Messenger store will be your featured product. So you can select yes or no. So let me say yes. Then the next I'll click on add products. Okay, so the product has been added. Now the next thing is to come to chatbots and click on chatbot settings. To click on chatbot settings, we want to set up our automated virtual assistant. So you select the fan page again, then greeting message could be welcome to Folly Mall, Ashwan online store. Can you see that? Then you click on updates. Good. You can click on this place again. Okay, good. So now once that is set up, the next thing is to set up our auto replies. Now, if there are other questions you think your customers might want to ask about your products, you can type it here. So you just come to, you select the same page. Okay, let's say when a customer asks for discounts. Ask for discounts, you can say you need to purchase 2 mosquito lamp to get 500 naira discount. Can you see that? So you add that bot reply. So now what that means is that anytime a customer type a message that involve or that include discounts in that message, the customer also gets this reply: you need to purchase 2 mosquito lamp to get 500 naira discounts. Do you get that? So now that is how this works. So all possible questions that your customers always keep asking. Imagine how annoying it is when you receive like 10 calls in a day or 15 calls in a day and they keep asking the same questions. So you can answer all your questions here. So what I just advise people to do is to list out the frequently asked questions by your customers. If you have been selling that product for a while, then you will know the questions your customers have been asking. If it's just a new product you're about to start selling, then you think about the possible questions people might want to ask. If the product is working, how long it will take for them to get the products, will they pay on delivery or they will pay after delivery, is there any discounts, and on and on. This is where you add all those messages and the reply you want them to get once they ask something like that, and you click on add bot reply. So now that we've set up our automated e-com stores, so let's see how it works live inside Facebook Messenger. So I'm going to go to facebook.com. Now this is facebook.com. Then I'll go to our page. Now this is our page, so I'll click on follow more. Now let's see how the automated e-com store now works. A very powerful, personalized way of selling products to your customers, and this is one of the untapped source of traffic from Facebook as well, because 90% of the people that advertise on Facebook focus on desktop news feeds and Instagram feeds. But with this automated e-com stores, you're tapping into 1.2 billion buyers on Facebook Messenger users. So now let's see how it works in minutes. Now let's say you're running a Facebook advert. That is, you're running a Facebook Messenger ads, not just a Facebook advert, a Facebook Messenger ads. And the aim of a Facebook Messenger ads is for your visitors to send a message to you on. So when the user click on the send message button, this is what happens. They see your messenger store like this. Can you see? Welcome to Folly Mall, Ashwan online store. This was part of the welcome message we included inside Shopless when we are trying to set up our store. So the next thing they will do is to click on the get started button. Let's see what happens. Can you see? The messenger automatically applies them in an e-com store format. As you can see, welcome to Folly Mall. Our products, more option, contact us. The person click on our products. Can you see? Please select a categories. So it will show users all the categories, just the same way it happens on a website. But this one is happening live inside Facebook Messenger. You're creating your own automated e-com store live inside Facebook Messenger. So I'll click on safety. Let's see what happened. Can you see? Immediately I clicked on safety. See what happened. Mosquito killer lamp. Can you see? Then once I'm done, you can decide to add to cart or check product details. Click on product details, you see more information about the products. Can you see? Now the reason why it's showing $2,005 was because I already created the products before changing the currency. So it's always important that you add your currency first. So you can see the information about the product, and the customer can decide to add to cart or continue shopping. They can even share this with their friend as well. So let's say I decide to add to cart. You can see you can check your cart by typing my cart. For checkout, type checkout. So I can just click on checkout. So I click on checkout, then I select cash on delivery. You can see once I select cash on delivery, then the customer can update their information. Can you see? Once they update their information, they need to enter their name, their mobile, street, postal code, city, and all that. Just click on update. Now, payment on delivery is what 90% of Ecom stores use in Nigeria, because you tends to break the barrier of customers not trusting you because you are new to the business or you are not a known brand. So with payment on delivery, they have nothing to lose. The order sending you their details, their name, phone number, and all. And from there, you can now reach out to them. You can call them and also confirm their order. So you can just click on updates. You can see, thanks for updating your shipping information. So now, let's say a customer now said, discount. I need discount. Let's see what happens. Can you see? You need to purchase 2 mosquito lamp to get 500 naira discount. So this is how this powerful software works. It helps to sell your product on complete autopilot live inside Facebook Messenger. It creates an e-com store live inside Facebook Messenger. And another beauty part of it is that you won't have to spend money paying for autoresponder on a monthly basis. It comes with its own Facebook Messenger where you can send a broadcast. By clicking on broadcast, you can send a broadcast message to all your customers at a single click, and it enters their Facebook inbox. Facebook message have over 99% open rates compared to email marketing. So instead of spending money on autoresponder, you can use this feature to follow up your customers, to know if they want to get the orders, to know when to send the product to them, and also to sell more products to them as well. Maybe you have other type of products or related products, you can use this same messaging platform to sell more of this product to them as well. And aside that, you can sell personalized messages to your customers. As you can see, you can send personalized messages to them. Let's say maybe you want to reach out to a particular customer, you can send personalized message to them, and also you can view all your orders at a single click as well. Can you see that? Then also there's a research tool for you to search for a particular fan pages you want to target. Let's say you're selling weight loss products, and you want to look for pages you can target in your advert. When running a Facebook advert, it comes up with different Facebook pages you can target, as you can see. So this is like a research tool for you as well. So immediately I finished setting up the automated e-com store, the next thing I did was to tap into 1.2 billion Facebook buyers. That is, I set up a messenger ads on Facebook. And how did I do that? I'm going to show you in the next few minutes. So let's go back there to Facebook. All I did was to go to business. So after setting up the automated e-com store, I came to my Facebook ads dashboard to create my Facebook advert. So let me just give it a name. Ads 1. Then bid option. Then instead of using traffic, now this may be different. I mean, the way I'm creating an advert may be different from your own ad dashboard. I'm using a business account. You may be using a normal Facebook ads. So if you're using a normal Facebook ads, you just select message under consideration. Like your ad objective, you select message, and that is Facebook Messenger ads. So once you select message, the next thing you want to do is to create ad sets. Let's say ad set 1, ad set 2. Then you click on save to draft. From there I created my advert and I set my targeting and everything, and before I knew it, I started getting orders like crazy. Now because the number of people targeting Facebook Messenger for ads are not that many compared to the people using the desktop news, desktop ad feeds and all that, and the software sell your product on autopilot to your customers. So the only thing you need to undo is order fulfilling. That is, getting a courier company to deliver your product. So this was exactly what I set up back then before I traveled in December. And I came back in August. And on December 25th, I already made over 1 million sales, setting up the automated Ecom system. Now, and ever since then, the system keeps dumping between 500k to 1 million. I average that amount on a daily basis. As you can see, 760,000, 494,000, 684,000, 532,000, and I have some lows too at times 266,000. So this system keeps dumping money into my account on autopilot. Now, if my previous Ecom system could generate these amazing results below from my past students, imagine what this new system will do to your finances. Now, think again. I've had a lot of success with my students using my previous manual e-commerce system, whereby they have to set up a website or set up a fan page, add the products manually, reply to customers manually, call and do all that, and yet they are still killing it. Imagine one of them made 5 million in 30 days. Yes, you can read that clearly. 5 million in 30 days. And also there's also another space that got over 200 orders from this same ecom business strategy using the old system, and lots of testimonies on my website. Now the question is this: what kind of result do you think you'll be able to generate with this automated ecom business? I'm sure the result will be mind-blowing, and that's why today I want to do the same thing for you. I plan to raise 50 millionaires before the end of 2018, setting up Autopilot e-commerce business for them. Now the question is, would you be among these lucky 50 people? Now, if you want to be among the lucky 50 people, I urge you to rush now to bizcoachng.com/dfyecom. Now, if you're watching this video on my website, you can scroll down, you see the full details about how to join this lucky 50. This is only open to 50 and is strictly on a first come first serve basis. If you miss out for good. So it's better for you to take action today and join this immediately. Thank you for watching.